Hi, welcome back to Wine Mastery. We are going to taste another Muscadet, famous throughout the world. It's like Chablis, Sancerre.
Well-known household name, almost.
Yeah, not quite as well known as Champagne, maybe.
No, but
I mean, it's got a big cachet, hasn't it? You know, if you get a Muscadet, everyone thinks, bring a bottle of Muscadet, they think, oh, yeah, we spent a bit of money.
yeah, very well-known French wine.
Yeah, so we're going to taste it now. So, let me show you the label. Here we go. Bottle and label. Voila. So I'm going to have a go. Excuse my eyes diverting to the left. I'm going to have a go, just for your entertainment, at reading this, pronouncing this. Muscadet Maine sur le Domaine des Ratelles.
I nailed it, John. I think I absolutely nailed it there. To be fair, I wouldn't be able to pronounce. I would have no idea. But well done, John. I think, yeah, you didn't do bad there.
So. I'm sure we'll get comments to the opposite. But anyway, let's have a look at the price. Ooh, $9.25. We are encroaching towards that magic £10 figure. So for that, I start to, when it approaches £10, start to expect a little bit of quality.
Yes, definitely. Yeah, at £10, you should be something should be standing out.
Yeah, yeah. Well, no, I'll get that excited. So
You didn't just say that. You did not just say I'm used to this. I'm used to it, but I was not ready for that. Definitely not ready for that. It's too early in the evening. However,
shall we have a look at the colour?
Let's have a look at the colour.
Okay.
It's delightful. Let us do that. Okay,
So it's quite deep in colour, isn't it?
It's very deep in colour.
It's very deep in colour.
It's very it almost touches like on an orange colour, almost as if it's oxidised.
Oxidised? Oh, you mean like off?
Yeah. I mean,
wow.
well, when we have a smell, we'll find that out. But
Yeah. It's sauterny sort of colour. It's better to be like a sweet white
yeah,
wine.
it looks like it is. Yeah, you're right. Well, I think we should have got the nose number one just to make sure it is okay.
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 Let's
No, it's
do
not
it.
okay.
It's not okay. I know. Yeah, apparently it's not okay. Let's have a look at that.
Well, it smells all right to me.
Yeah, it's not off. It's not
No, it's
oxidised.
not. I mean, in terms of, yeah. It's got a really strange smell.
Yeah, it's
It's not off, but it's strange smell. I can't detect any fruits.
No, there's not. It's not musty. It's definitely not off. But trying to actually find out what it does smell like is also something.
Yeah, it's almost like musty.
No, it doesn't have the mustiness of something off, but I don't know. There's something under there, isn't there? But it's trying to get through.
Well,
I don't know, is it a stone fruit? Is it a nuttiness?
I think it's closer to a nuttiness. It's also like a dirty smell.
Yeah, it's not. It's not really piquing my interest. So let's have a go on the palates because I'm intrigued.
Yeah, so am I. Wow. I'm not sure what fruits again I'm getting from that.
I don't think I'm getting any fruit, and I think it's hard to find that in there. But I'm getting that nuttiness in there again. Whether I like that or not, I'm unsure. Because it's definitely not off.
Do you get a slight hint of date?
Date.
Yeah. No.
But there's not.
I think I'm clutching at straws.
I think we both are. We're both trying to find something in there that perhaps isn't.
Yeah.
There's definitely a flavour there, but I tell you what's again, it's just very meh. It's got a mehness about it. You know, this isn't. I'm trying to think of where would I enjoy this? You know that mood thing. Are you with friends or you're on having a meal? You know, is it the sunshine? Is it that reading a book?
I tell you where I'd enjoy this.
Go on.
So, you know, in the region, I've been to a few cafes or into a vineyard, and I'm actually tasted Muscadet, and it's all very. And I get this one, I think, whoa, this is a little bit different.
Yeah, I'll definitely give you the different bit. It's just whether that different is good or bad.
Whether you like the difference.
Yeah, and I'm struggling to get.
But you know what they say?
Go on.
Vive la différence.
Do they really say that? I don't think they do. But as you say that, but no, and again, there's a bit of a one-dimensionalness about that. It's not the length. It hits you with something to begin with, but that flavour, whatever it is, which I'm struggling to get, soon dissipates. But I'm not. I'm all right with that.
Yeah,
because I don't want that.
Yeah, it's. I think this is one of those where you're gonna love it or not.
Yeah.
You know, it's very few people are gonna think it's okay. Like I'm thinking, oh, well, it's okay. But I think most people will say nah, or they'll say, oh, that's just really different. I really like this.
I must say, personally, again, subjective, this is a naff for me.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's
a meh or a naff?
We'll have them both.
Oh, really?
Yeah, there's a meh flavour and it's not for me, so naff.
Okay. Can you imagine what your score's going to be then? So...
And again, the price, $9.25.
Oh, you're just sticking the knife in now.
Yeah.
So, shall we move on to pairings?
Let's do. Yeah, we can try.
Okay. Oh, yeah, that's true. It's going to be difficult. Do you want me to go first?
Please do, because I didn't even think. Sorry.
Well, I'm going to cheat because I read a cheat sheet before, and they suggested chicken wings, and I'm thinking maybe chicken wings, but not with any barbecue sauce on or anything, because it wouldn't take that. So I think the sort of chicken salad. I wouldn't really think it'd be. I know Muscadet you would normally expect to go with fish. I can't think of a fish that I think this would necessarily go with.
It's a struggle. Maybe something smoked or smug.
Yeah,
but that's about
smoked salmon. I was thinking clash. I think.
I was thinking more like a kipper, the big full on. But I
think that would struggle to then
hold up.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not.
And I know that feeling.
2 in 1 video. If you're watching this video, you're lucky.
But you could have it, I guess, with some hams. How's it pronounced? You know, that sort of the array of hams.
Charcuterie.
I don't know why you say that.
Charcuterie.
Charcuterie.
I might be saying it wrong.
One of them.
Maybe, but I'm trying to think of like we're talking again. I'm thinking what cheese is going to go with it, and I think I only said the smoked because in my mind I'm thinking smoked blue Stilton. But like you're saying there, it won't stand up to that. This is a tough one. I don't think I don't think.
What about?
Go on.
What about stinking bishop?
Washed rind, but fairly mild. Quite smelly, but quite sweet. Yeah, probably. It'd hold up against that.
Yeah.
But it's not something that I...
Immediately say yes.
Yeah, just like... Well...
A match made in heaven.
Yeah, but I can't... You can say that about most wines that we taste. I know, that's going to look beautiful. I can't see that being beautiful with anything. I can't see that be one that I would do at my taste and say, you can't wait to taste it. Try that and then put these two together and see what happens. I can't see that happening with that. No. So anyway.
No. You once gave me a cheese recently, a couple of weeks ago, which was it was like a cheddar in terms of colour, but it was almost spreadable, and it was very mild but very creamy.
Ooh, was it Délice de Crémière?
Could have been.
Did it taste buttery and quite with a bit of a salty edge?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, that would be the Délice de Crémière. Yeah, Délice de Crémière, that's I've matched that with a fair few. It has the richness there, but the problem, I don't think this has the richness to take that on.
Okay.
This has been a discussion as this one, hasn't it?
How are you going to... But the discussion is how to make it better, rather than, you know, there's a whole wealth of matches out there. So that's sort of slightly disappointing, isn't it? I mean, it is Muscadet, it is $9.25. But again, personal taste, guys. You may taste this and really, really love it. So move on to score.
Move on to the score.
Okay.
Now, I have to be fair. It's $9.25. We did have another video where we tasted the Muscadet, and it was I scored that at 65. But that was a little bit cheaper than this, so that goes hand in hand, which means I have to give this one at best There we go.
I'm going to go 70.
I said 62.
Okay.
Only because, like I said, I think the last Muscadet we tried to score at 64 or 65.
Yeah.
And that was a pound cheaper than this, if I remember. And that was, again, very similar. But because that's a pound more expensive, it has to score less.
That's fair. That's a fair comment. I mean, maybe my 70 was a little bit high, but during the season scoring, we've done some previous videos for this one. Consistently, I've been about 8 or 10 above you, funnily enough.
Well, that's
it's obviously the mood I'm in.
I've always said this here. So yeah, it's all about that. We don't need to say it again. It's a mood thing. It's personal, subjective. That just isn't for me.
No. And again, I think that one of our criteria in terms of a good bottle of wine, obviously, as you like it, I think the next criteria is, would you buy it again? And I wouldn't buy that again.
That is the question at the end of the day. Is it, would you buy it again?
No. Sorry, guys. Okay, well, if you get a chance to taste this and you love it, let us know what you think of it. Let us know what you think the taste is and the nose. Give us your comments on it. We'd love to hear that. If you've got any other Muscadets that you think are brilliant and we should just taste, then also let us know that and we'll see if we can get hold of one and give it a review and give you a shout out at the same time. Don't forget to subscribe to us. Press the like button. Helps other people find us. Till the next time, guys. Chin chin.
Chin chin.